Let's talk about voice agents. If you're thinking about using voicebots to handle customer service, drive sales, or even support education, this episode is for you. Here's the catch. Designing a great voice agent isn't about writing dialogues anymore. We're not in the world of if the user says A, respond with B. We're in a world of AI-driven conversations, adaptive, emotional, and deeply contextual. Let's unpack what it really takes to build voice agents that work. First, you need to understand this is not chatbot on steroids. Voice is a completely different beast. Why? Because humans are wired for voice. Even a 250 millisecond delay can break the illusion of a natural conversation. That's why designing for voice means two things: handling emotions and doing it fast. Imagine this. A user calls your support line frustrated because they can't create an account. What should the agent do first? Not offer help. First, de-escalate the emotion, only then solve the technical issue. That's not just a theory, it's how real support agents operate. And your AI should do the same. But to get there, you need to think modular. Instead of one voice bot that does everything, create agents with different roles. One for calming users, another for explaining the product, a third for navigating the website, and another one focused just on upselling. Each of them gets their own goal, their own guidelines, like you would with human employees. Then comes orchestration. Because in a real conversation, things shift, emotions spike, topics jump. Agents need to hand over the call between each other seamlessly, ideally without the user noticing. And here's where the future-proof part comes into play. If you build your system in modules, you can upgrade each piece separately as tech evolves, whether it's better emotion detection, smarter recommendations, or faster latency. It's worth pointing out one more crucial area: testing. Don't wait for a perfect build. Start with early prototypes. Test individual agents using real tools or call center platforms. You can even use LLMs to test other LLMs. Simulate real-world calls, spot weak spots, and improve before going live. And finally, let's talk about trust. In high-stakes environments like finance or healthcare, hallucinations are a deal breaker. That's why the system needs strong guardrails, clear prompts, restricted data sources, and well-designed boundaries. The big idea? Don't build a voice bot, build a voice team. Each agent, one mission. All of them working together to drive one thing: great user experience backed by smart orchestration and measurable business impact. If you're exploring how to apply voice agents in your own business, check out Vasco AI, and let's design the future of voice together.